Okay student, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, nice meeting you again with my subjects about reading for academic purposes for the 4th semester students of English education of Sultan Agung Islamic University. Okay students, for today's meeting, in relation to our topic that is about reading for a journal article, our objectives of our study today are: 1. Students are able to find some unfamiliar vocabularies or phrases on the article. Secondly, students are able to be familiar with some phrases and vocabularies used on the article. Thirdly, students are able to identify each part of the article's content. And then the fourth, students are able to answer some questions related to the article. Okay students, after you know some objectives of our learning, now Memeka will show you the definition of an article of research, especially the definition of a journal article, and then what is a journal article? A journal is a collection of articles. This one is like a magazine that is published regularly throughout the year. Journals present the most recent research, and journal articles are written by experts for experts. They may be published in a print or online formats, or both of them. The journal article that we are going to discuss today is from Bilateral Journal of Teaching and Learning Language and Literature. The article entitled "The Effect of a Dynamic Assessment of L2 Second Language Learners' Listening Comprehensions." This article was published in December 19, 2018. Then, secondly, we will learn about some words and phrases used in this article, which are unfamiliar for all of you. We will discuss from each part of the article. In this article, there are 7 parts of subjects. There are 7 parts here. They are: the first part, abstract; the second part, introduction; the third part, literature review; the fourth part, method. Method here can be divided into 3 parts again, or 3 categories. The categories in method here like participants, instruments, and procedure. And then the fifth part, results; the 6th part's discussion and conclusion; and then the last part is references. And now we come to discuss some unfamiliar words or phrases from the first part, from abstract of this article. Now we are going to know some unfamiliar words and also the meaning on abstract part. Number 1 is grounded, means search for. The second, social interaction, means a social exchange between 2 or more individuals. Individuals here can be students. The third, mediational strategies. Mediational strategies. Mediational strategies here means is a structure or interactive process where an impartial third party assists disputing parties in resolving conflict through the use of a specialized communication and negotiation techniques. Number 4, enhance. Enhance means further improve the quality, value, or extent of. Number 5. Implication. Implication means the conclusion that can be drawn from something although it is not explicitly stated. Number 6. Instruction. The instruction means detailed information telling how something should be done, operated, or assembled. Number 7. Assessment. The assessment means the evaluation or estimation of the nature, quality, or ability of someone or something. And now we come to some unfamiliar phrases or words from the second part of the article, from introduction part. Number 1. Engage means participate or become involved in. 2. Collaborative means produced or conducted by 2 or more parties working together. The third, gradual, means progressing slowly or by degrees. Number 4, merely, means emphasize that you mean exactly what you are saying and nothing more. Number 5, satellite, means to make it possible to understand or know more about something. Number 6, impede, means delay or prevent or someone or something by obstructing them. Number 7, south to, means south is the second verb of seek, which means ask for something from someone. Okay, next we come to the part of literature review. We can find some phrases of word as the followings. Number 1, diagnostic test, means a test that usually designed to identify a particular condition or set of characteristics. Number 2, aforementioned, means previously mentioned. Number 3, Socio-Cultural Perspective. What does it mean? This means a theory used in a field such as psychology and used to describe awareness of circumstances surrounding individuals and how their behaviors are affected specifically by their surrounding social and cultural factors. Number 4, human consciousness, means the state of being aware of and responsive to one's surroundings. Number 5, dialectical unity, means at the base a discourse between 2 or more people holding different points of view about subject but wishing to establish the truth through recent methods of arguments. Number 6, endowed, means provide with a quality or ability. 7, internalization, means the action of accepting or absorbing an idea, opinion, beliefs, and etc. Number 8, deploy, means to spread out, utilize, or arrange for a deliberate purpose. Number 9, scaffolding, means a process through which a teacher adds support for students in order to enhance learning and aid in the mastery of thought. The teacher does this by systematically building on students' experiences and knowledge as they are learning new skills. Number 10, a fruitful approach, means producing results or profit. 11, didactic, means two things of a similar kind or a nature or a group. For example, a dialectic communication means the interrelationship between the two. Number 12, attune. Attune means make receptive or aware and make a harmonious. 13, the last, erroneous means incorrect or mistaken. Then on the part of a method, on the third part, the method part, we can see some of the following words and phrases. Number 1, intact. Intact means not damaged or impaired in any way. Number 2, comprise. Comprise means consist of or be made up of. Number 3, concurrent means done at the same time. Number 4, enrichment phase means to improve in quality. And then number 5, violation. Violation means an infringement of the rules that is less serious than avoid and usually involves technicalities of learning. Then the next part, on this part, related to the previous parts, started from the abstract, introduction, and then the method, and now on the discussion and the conclusion parts, I need you to find the meaning of these words and the phrases. Now it's time for you to find about the meaning related to the article, related to the journal article that I deliver to you. Number 1, find the meaning of review. 2, be attribute. 3, listening comprehension performance. 4, static approach. 5, pedagogical implication. 6, the concern. 7, a transcendence task. Okay, now I will show you here exercises to find the meaning on the fourth part of the article, that is about discussion and conclusion part, for 7 words that I ask you, and you have to do the multiple choices practice too here, related to the abstract of the article. Just concentrate now on the abstract of the article. Read it in about 1 minute, and I deliver the exercises. Okay, the exercises here, you have to choose the best answer from the 4 possible responses. Now, for number 1 question. On the abstract of the article, what is the aim of the research? A, to analyze the listening comprehension skill. B, to describe the competence of students listening. C, to examine the efficiency of GDA approach on listening comprehension. And D, to mediate the effectiveness of GDA approach on listening comprehension. Question number 2. On the abstract of the article, what theory is the origin of the GDA? A, Socio-Cultural Interaction Theory. B, Socio-Cultural Theory. C, Socialization Interaction Theory. And D, Socio-Cultural Study of a Listening Theory. Number 3. On the abstract of the article, where was the research done? A, ESL Learners of Mediational Institute. B, ESL Learners of Zone Proximal Development. C, EFL Learners of Institution of a National Language. And D, EFL Language Learners at English Language Institute. Question number 4. On the abstract of the article, how many participants were included in the research? A, 20. B. 30, C. 40, and D. 50. Question number 5. On the abstract of the article, what sorts of data analysis is used in these reasons? A. The metacognitive analysis. B. The qualitative analysis. C. The quantitative analysis. And D. The mixed method analysis. Okay, students, this is the exercises that you have to do to write down on the comment of this video. So, on the comment of this video, you just do the exercises on the multiple choices. For the meaning of the words, you have to do in a different part. You have to upload it for the meaning of the words. The files of the assignment will be uploaded on SIM Unisula. Okay, student, this is for our meeting and our learning today. Don't forget to do the exercises. Remember, just the multiple choices on the comment of the video. And then the other exercises will be done on SIM Unisula and link for a bit.ly link on the description of the video. Thank you very much for our learning today. See you again next week on the next material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.